In 2026, cycling is more than just pedaling. It's about riding with greater intelligence, safety, and connectivity than ever before. Today's smart bike devices are fundamentally altering how riders perceive the road, from real-time performance tracking to AI-powered safety systems and incredibly accurate navigation tools. In this video, we examine 10 brand new smart bike devices from Amazon that seem like they belong in the future. However, they are truly available right now. These aren't merely ostentatious improvements. These useful devices are made to enhance every ride's speed, comfort, visibility, and control. These advancements transform a regular bike into a fully connected riding machine, regardless of whether you're a weekend rider, a daily commuter, or a dedicated training aficionado. Prepare yourself, because your existing setup may seem extremely antiquated once you discover what these devices are capable of. The CYC Plus AS2 Pro Max is a highly compact, smart cycling gadget that delivers surprisingly robust inflation power despite its miniature form factor. Weighing a mere 205 grams, this pocket-sized device slips effortlessly into a backpack or jersey pocket while remaining capable of generating a serious 120 psi of pressure. Its standout attribute is its rapid performance, completely refilling a standard road bike tire in roughly 1 minute, while an automated smart shutoff mechanism prevents overinflation. Complete with an accurate digital LED display and fast USB-C charging capabilities, it serves as an incredibly practical premium emergency tool designed for the daily convenience of any cyclist.
The Westcam 113 decibel bike alarm is a compact yet exceptionally loud security enhancement designed for bicycles, e-bikes, or scooters. It provides robust anti-theft protection using a piercing 113 decibel siren that instantly draws attention if your vehicle is tampered with. To minimize false alarms, the system features a 7-level adjustable vibration sensitivity setup, alongside a 3-level volume control to customize the alert loudness. Operating the device is straightforward, thanks to a wireless remote control with a 66-foot range, while an IP55 weather resistance rating ensures reliable performance during outdoor parking. The bike rear-view camera is a practical, safety-focused system engineered to enhance situational awareness and control while on the road. It delivers a crisp 1080p live video feed to a large 5-inch display monitor, allowing cyclists to easily track approaching traffic or other riders without needing to constantly look back over their shoulder. A wide 130-degree adjustable viewing angle, coupled with an anti-glare auto brightness display, ensures clear visibility across shifting light conditions. Equipped with a robust 10,000 mAh battery, providing up to 10 to 12 hours of continuous operation, this IP67 waterproof and night vision-enabled device serves as a highly reliable all-weather companion that significantly boosts riding confidence.
The CYC Plus GPS bike computer is a surprisingly capable smart cycling accessory that delivers great value and excellent functionality for riders. It features a crisp 2.5-inch anti-glare LCD screen, ensuring all your essential metrics remain easily readable even under direct bright sunlight. The device stands out for its comprehensive tracking capabilities, neatly organizing data like speed, distance, cadence, heart rate, and altitude across easily switchable display screens. Equipped with a robust 1,000 mAh battery that boasts an impressive runtime of up to 70 hours, it easily handles extended trips without needing frequent recharges. Furthermore, its seamless Bluetooth synchronization with Strava provides a modern, connected experience, making it an ideal, dependable GPS companion for daily cyclists. The Bike Action Camera is a compact, all-in-one smart recording unit that combines ultra-clear 4K footage, built-in GPS tracking, and essential cycling telemetry into a single device. It records crisp 4K UHD video backed by advanced 6-axis stabilization, ensuring smooth footage on bumpy roads, while an integrated speedometer displays real-time performance tracking on a compact IPS screen. Furthermore, low-light night rides are significantly enhanced by an advanced IMX335 sensor and integrated lighting support, making it a highly practical upgrade for cyclists looking to capture safety footage and performance metrics simultaneously. The Lamicao Bike Phone Holder is a straightforward yet highly practical cycling accessory designed to keep your smartphone securely locked in place regardless of road conditions. It features a robust corner grip architecture paired with a dedicated safety lock mechanism that completely prevents accidental drops on bumpy or uneven rides. Integrated silicone padding effectively absorbs road shocks while shielding your device from scratches and heavy vibrations. Designed for tool-free installation in just a few seconds, it easily accommodates most smartphones ranging from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, serving as a highly reliable mount that creates a safer, more connected riding setup.
The Alarm Bike Tail Light is a compact yet highly effective safety enhancement that seamlessly integrates visibility, anti-theft security, and daily convenience into a single smart device. It features an ultra-bright COB LED configuration with multiple illumination modes to ensure you remain clearly visible to traffic on busy roadways. The standout feature is its integrated 115 decibel motion-sensitive alarm, which instantly triggers a loud alert if anyone attempts to tamper with or move your parked bicycle. Outfitted with adjustable brightness settings, customizable sensitivity levels, and a USB-C rechargeable 800 mAh battery that delivers up to 40 hours of runtime, this versatile rear guard provides genuine peace of mind whether you are actively riding in traffic or parking outdoors. The Cyclor is a next-generation ultra-light electronic assistance system engineered specifically for road and gravel cyclists who want extra power without the bulk of a heavy e-bike. It is built around a highly compact rear hub motor paired with a sleek bottle-style battery that provides smooth, natural-feeling pedaling assistance exactly when needed. The core appeal of this system is its discreet upgrade approach, preserving the bicycle's original handling and ride quality while adding a subtle, automated boost for steep climbs and long-distance routes. Complete with smart riding modes, seamless wireless control, and fitness tracking integration, it operates as a high-tech performance tool tailored for traditional purists who want a premium competitive edge.